Hello everyone, I would like to introduce Blue Communication, a company that specializes in software coding education. Software coding has become a mandatory field for our kids to become creative as well as to develop logical thinking for the future. AsomeIT allows seemingly difficult and complex software coding education to become easy to learn while having fun program. We provide comprehensive curriculum package which includes easy to follow lessons, practice opportunities, and online videos. For the hardware, we have AsomeBot that walks and dances with 2 legs, Awesome Car that can be programmed for autonomous driving, and Awesome Kit that incorporates various IoT sensors to develop useful programs for real-life applications. With block coding, anyone can understand the algorithm behind coding and practice easily. Blue Communication would like to remove the fear in learning how to code. For young children as well as adults, anyone can learn how to code easily while having fun to prepare for the 4th Industrial Revolution.